You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name in English. This is the name of a Native American tribe and First Nations band. It's also the name of various brands, including the brand of flatware, silverware, dining essentials. In both cases, it's pronounced as Oneida. I know it looks like it could be, or maybe should be, pronounced as Oneida, but no, Oneida. Oneida is how to pronounce it correctly, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.